A lot of companies have started off-campus recruitments, but I don't know where and how to apply. Most of the times, whenever I apply, neither I receive any test link nor any mailbacks whenever I meet the recruiters. In short, I don't get any responses of mails, calls, and applications. So, how to get referrals, how to apply to a company, how to grab attention of recruiters, a lot of things like this we are going to discuss in today's video. And if you're someone who has given their best in the on-campus interviews and placements, but due to some reason was unable to grab internship and placements, then this video is for you. So stick till the end, you are going to get a lot of amazing information if you watch this video till the end. So without wasting our time, let's get started. But before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe to it as we have planned for more such amazing content. Hey everyone, I'm Priyanshi Agrawal, currently working as a software engineer at Amazon, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. All the companies which I have cracked like Amazon, Flipkart, Siemens, all were off campus, and I have made a detailed separate video for all of those companies. So if you want to know about them, you can watch those videos. So we will not discuss about them at all in this video. So the first most important thing when you apply for off-campus, then you necessarily need a social media profile, which is very important along with your resume. So there are two most important things when you apply for off-campus. One is your LinkedIn profile and another one is your resume. So you have to keep your LinkedIn profile updated, whatever courses you are doing, whatever projects you are working on or anything. So keep showing them on LinkedIn. And if you are the one who haven't heard about LinkedIn yet, then LinkedIn is basically a professional platform where you can connect with recruiters, people working at other big tech companies, and you can showcase your skills, projects, learning in public, etc. So if you want, I can also make a detailed video on how to create an amazing LinkedIn profile. And I've already made a detailed video on resume crafting, so you can watch that video for creating your resume. In that video, you will get to know what to mention in the resume, what to not mention in the resume, how to mention it, etc. I have explained everything in detail, so you can check out that video as well. And if you're someone who is confused between on-campus and off-campus, what exactly they are. So in on-campus placements, companies comes to your campus. Companies conduct their tests and interviews within your campus. You don't need to reach out to the companies. College will reach out to them. But this is the only case with good colleges. If you are in a good college like IIT, NIT, Tier 1 or some Tier 2 colleges or some other good colleges. And in off-campus placements, you have to reach out to the companies. Companies are not going to reach out to you. So in this case, college plays zero role. You have to reach out to the companies, get your resume shortlisted, and then the process goes on. So if you are in a college in which companies with good pay or big tech companies don't come, then you have to go for off-campus placements. So the first way to apply off-campus is via referral. In this, if you already have some good networks, some seniors, friends, or family members working at those companies, then you can directly reach out to them saying this, hey, this is the opening, this is my resume, can you please refer me, and all. Generally, people give referrals in this case because they already know you, they already know about your skills, they are already working with you, so why don't they want to refer you in their company? So in this, so if you already have seniors, friends, or family members working at those companies, then well and good. If your resume is good, if you have good projects and skills, then you will easily get the opportunity. But problem comes when you are not from a good college. Probably the case you don't have any seniors who are working at those companies. So you don't know anyone personally whom you can reach out and say, just directly say, hey, can you please give me referrals? So what you have to do in this case? So remember earlier we were talking about the LinkedIn profile. So LinkedIn profile comes into picture in this case. So you can reach out to people from those companies on LinkedIn for referrals. You can create a referral message and send it to 10 to 15 people or even more. If you don't get any replies, you will definitely get one people from all of them who will refer you. You will definitely get it. And one more important thing is that whenever you are building your LinkedIn profile, then keep sending 5 to 10 requests every day to people working at such companies. So that when it comes to asking for referrals, you will be already having connections with those people. Because let's say if you're not having connections and now you want referral from them, so what you will have to do, you will first have to send them a connection request, and then you will be able to send them a referral message. It will take a lot of time. Obviously the other person might not accept the connection request, and other cases as well. So it will going to take a lot of time, and it might be the case that opening gets closed in that time. So it would be better if you already have connections from those people. And while sending the connection request, there is also an option to add a personalized message. So always try to add that message, because that message increases the chances of your connection request getting accepted by the other guy. Now, the second way for applying off campus is every company has their own careers portal. If we talk about Amazon, Flipkart, Siemens, Microsoft, Google, Atlassian, etc., every company has their own career portals where all the job openings are listed. So you can go to their job portals and search for the openings, search for the roles which suits your resume and skills. And referrals adds a bonus point in your application, but you can also apply directly without referrals. And it is not the case that if you are applying without referral, then you are not going to get any callbacks. No, this is not the case. There are still chances if you have good resume, if you have good projects, and you have the required skills for the role, then you will still have chances for getting the callbacks even if you are applying without referrals. So the third method is, it might sound unethical to some guys, but yeah, if some friend recently got into some company, then they might be in direct contact with the recruiters. So one way is that you can ask your friend to forward your profile to the recruiters and pitch regarding you, like, I have this friend with these skills, with this resume, working at this in this company, looking for a switch, something like that. And the other way is that you can ask your friend for the recruiter's mail or some other contact, but you don't need to spam them. No ways, don't do this thing. You can just simply drop a mail to them, sharing your resume, sharing your skills and the job role you are looking for. And there are a lot of websites and sometimes even through LinkedIn as well, you can get the contact of recruiters so that you can drop a mail to them. But for mailing, you will need a good mail template and with a catchy subject line. You can't just send like looking for this job role, attach your resume and just send it. No, you can't do this. Obviously, you are not going to get any replies if you send mails like this. Add some catchy subject line, attach your resume, explain regarding your skills, your resume, why you suits well for this role, the role you are looking for. Every detail should be mentioned in that mail, but you should also keep in mind to keep that mail crisp and concise, because if it is going to be too lengthy, then obviously recruiters are not going to read it. So if you are trying to reach out some early stage startups, then you can reach out to their CTOs and CEOs as well. And if it is a big tech company, then you can look for the recruiters. So yeah, this was the third way in which you can grab some off-campus opportunity. The fourth and the final way is through hiring platforms and contests. So there are a lot of third-party websites like Naukri, Wellfound, where a lot of companies post their job openings on these websites. So you can just go to these websites, search for the roles you are looking for, and apply to those roles. And along with this, there are a lot of hackathons, hiring challenges on platforms like Geeks for Geeks, HackerAlert, some other platforms as well, through which companies provide you direct interview opportunities. So do participate in such kind of contests. So yeah, this was the fourth and the final way in which you can get an off-campus opportunity. You can use all these 4 ways together to land on some off-campus opportunity. So the most important thing in this complete process is that keep applying. Don't be like someone I have applied to 4 to 5 companies. These are the only dream companies. Now I am done with applying. I will not apply to any more companies. No, don't be like that. I have done podcasts with a lot of people, and me myself suggest that keep applying until you get a job, because the number of companies you have applied might be different for everyone. For someone 20, 30, 40, or even more. So you have to keep on applying even if you are not getting any callbacks, because if you don't apply, then how your resume will reach to that company, and how that company will reach out to you. So obviously you will have to apply in a lot of companies to grant on a job. So apply to the companies as much as you can, apply to the positions as much as you can, but just keep in mind that whether you are suitable for the role you are applying for or not. Because if you are applying for some roles for which you are not suitable, then obviously you are not going to get any callbacks. Let's say if you are applying for a software engineer role which requires 4 to 5 years of experience, and being a fresher, you are applying for that role, then how you are going to get some callbacks? So this will only waste your time. So do read the details in the job description before applying for every role. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope this video helped you if you are looking for placements. So these are some things you need to keep in mind while applying for off-campus opportunities. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning and stay curious.